If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Organisms that never breathe. How do they live in the depths of the sea? Most organisms cannot live without breathing oxygen, but very few organisms can live in an environment completely devoid of oxygen and can obtain energy in other ways. In a recent study conducted by the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution and published in the ISME journal, researchers explained how organisms called Foraminifera can live in the deep sea in a dark, oxygen-free environment. Foraminifera are abundant on Earth, and most of them are only about 300 microns in diameter. In a statement to Al Jazeera Net via email, Dr. Pratul Saraswati, former professor in the Department of Earth Sciences at the Bombay Institute of Technology, said that foraminifera are widely spread in marine waters around the world. This type of organism lives in swamps and in the depths of seas and oceans, and even at depths of 10 kilometers in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. They also float on the surface of the sea. Just as there are species of foraminifera that live in oxygen-rich environments, it has also been found that many species can tolerate low oxygen levels of 0.1 to 1 milliliter per liter, and can also tolerate oxygen-free environments. How do foraminifera get energy? This species of foraminifera that was studied can live in an oxygen-free environment and obtain energy through Chemolithoautotrophy, a metabolic process that uses inorganic energy sources to absorb carbon. The origin of the respiration process is that it helps introduce carbon into the metabolic processes carried out by the organism, which gives it energy, and any method that achieves this purpose is an alternative to respiration. During this process, foraminifera performs a process scientifically called Kleptoplasty or theft, as foraminifera steals chloroplasts from another type of organism such as algae that perform photosynthesis and retains the chloroplasts for several weeks or months, and these retained chloroplasts remain active and capable of carbon fixation. This enables foraminifera to survive in oxygen-free environments. Dr. Raphael Morard, a microbiologist at the Marum Center for Marine Environmental Sciences at the University of Bremen in Germany, told Al Jazeera Net via email that during the early stages of life on Earth, the amount of oxygen in the ocean was very low and ancient life forms did not depend on oxygen for respiration. Foraminifera used Chemolithoautotrophy to obtain energy in these earlier environmental conditions, but today they use it in the dark places in the deep sea. So, this study attempts to understand the molecular pathways through which foraminifera obtain energy. To collect foraminifera samples, the researchers used the Hercules spacecraft, which is remotely controlled from the EV Nautilus exploration ship operated by the Ocean Exploration Foundation. The team collected sediments containing foraminifera from a depth of about 570 meters below the ocean surface off the coast of California. Woods Hole, which conducted the study, is known for its use of sophisticated ships and robots capable of exploring the deep sea. Scientists have fossil records of foraminifera dating back more than 500 million years, meaning this group has a longer record than most other life forms on Earth. The study was funded by NASA, which is interested in the possibility of life on other planets, as the deep sea environment is similar to other planets in things like cold temperatures, darkness, and lack of oxygen. No script provided for outro.